Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on subtitle and captions on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Scroll down accessibility, just keep scrolling, then locate and click on subtitles and captioning. Then there you go. To turn on subtitle and captioning, just turn on closed caption plus SDH. If you want to customize the background, click on style and then go ahead and customize the background. You can also create new style. To create your background, change the format, then change the background color, and then change the opacity. And then again, go back, come here and address the text opacity and text edge style. If you want to be uniform, depressed, raised, drop, then go back, and then you are good. If you want to show audio transcription as well, turn on show audio transcription for announcement from HomePod, and that is it. So that's exactly how to turn on subtitles and captioning on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.